Okay, as I mentioned before, that we're going to take a look in this lecture at a very important issue in relation to phonetics, which is syllables. All right. Now, this topic, or the topic about syllables, is extremely important. Okay, within the field of phonetics, to understand word structure and word pronunciation. Okay, now, what are syllables? All right, you should know that any word, okay, in English, consists of syllables. All right, could be like from one syllable to like about 4 syllables, whatever, in relation, okay, or depending on the word itself. Now, what is the definition? How do we define syllables? Of course, this is very, very important for you to understand and to be able to write down or memorize. Syllables are sound units, so it's like a unit. Each syllable is a unit, okay? Unit upon which rhythm is based. So, units, any word consists of several units. Each unit has to have a rhythm. The unit is based on rhythm. Again, syllables are units. Sound units. What kind of units are syllables? They are sound units. So a word consists of sound units, which are, or which depend, or which consist of rhythm. So each sound unit consists of a rhythm, and we call this sound unit a syllable. So, again, what is the definition of syllables? Syllables are sound units. So, if anyone asks you, what is a syllable? You have to say it's a kind of sound unit. What about this sound unit? This sound unit consists of rhythm, or is based on a rhythm that is found. Now, how do we produce rhythms? Now, this is really important. Rhythm here, of course, is related, like we said before, that words, okay, or sounds are either consonants or vowels. Now, if we take a look at consonants and vowels, or focus on them and analyze in relation to rhythm, we find that rhythm is produced by vowels. So, if we're talking about rhythm and vowels, that means that a syllable, any syllable or sound unit, has to consist of a vowel. Alright, what does that mean? What else do we understand from that? We understand that, okay, a syllable in English can be made of, or made up of, one vowel and no consonant sounds, or one consonant, 2 consonants, whatever. So we can have each syllable has to have a vowel and consonants, or no consonants actually, but it has to have a vowel. But it cannot have a consonant and no vowels. Okay, so any syllable consists of a vowel, and could consist of 1 syllable, 2 syllables, or 3 or 4. Okay? Sorry, 1 consonant sound, 2 consonant sounds, or several consonant sounds. Okay? So that is, that's what we relate or call a syllable. Okay, everyone? So again, syllables are sound units. What about these sound units? They consist of a rhythm. How do we produce rhythm? Okay, we produce rhythm by vowels, or through vowels. Okay, so any syllable has to consist of a rhythm, a vowel. It can consist of one consonant or vowel, and 1 consonant, 2 consonants, or whatever, or even no consonants. Okay. So that's the definition of syllables. Okay, now let's take a look at these words here, or this exercise here, and it says how many syllables do these words have. Of course, we're using this to understand okay, what syllables are or how to identify syllables. Number one, air, air. Of course, the word air, okay, in this transcription, diphthong, okay, does not consist of any consonants. It's just a vowel, okay, a diphthong vowel. All right, but how many syllables does it have? It has only one syllable. So if we're talking about diphthongs, as we're talking about diphthongs, okay, a diphthong can give just like one rhythm or can be represented as a syllable or inside a syllable, okay? It's not like if you have diphthong, then you need to say that these are two syllables. No, no. A diphthong can be just one syllable as it gives rhythm. It gives one rhythm. Okay, number two, cat, cat, cat. K, consonant, a, vowel, t, consonant. So it consists of one vowel, making it consist of one syllable. One syllable. Okay? Spring, spring. Let's take a look. Spring. This is its transcription. Consonants. P, consonant. R, spr, spr. Okay, consonant. E. Okay, E here is a vowel and then a consonant. So consonant, 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 vowel, one vowel, consonant. Okay, so actually it consists of one syllable. Okay. So this is like in relation to these words. Number four, asked, asked. Of course, asked, okay, is in the RP, the royal pronunciation of the British accent, the royal British accent, okay, and we say asked. So R is, okay, is the vowel here, ask, asked, okay. So actually, asked is one syllable. Okay? Now this is the point. If we pronounce asked in the wrong way, like ask kid, it means that it consists of two syllables. Ask kid. But actually no, it's pronounced asked, asked. Okay, we mentioned this before in our lectures. And we said that this happened because the k sound here is silent, a voiceless sound, okay, voiceless plosive. So the ed, okay, is pronounced t, okay, because any other verb, alright, that ends with the t and d sound, we pronounce the id. Okay, like wanted, because want ends with a t. Need ends with a d. So we say needed. But here ask or ask ends with k, plosive, voiceless. So the ed is pronounced t. Asked, asked. Of course it's aw, like in heart. Alright, this is the vowel, it's one syllable. Of course, if we pronounce it in another accent in Britain, which is more to the north, we can say asked, asked. Of course, the R here will change to A, like cat. Okay, but as long as we're using the RP, so we're using the Royal British or the original British accent, so it's asked, asked. Okay, number five, sleeps, sleeps. Sleeps, also one, okay, one syllable. Okay, so sleeps, one syllable. Now let's take a look at this word here. Any, any. Alright, any. First of all, we got Any. Okay, it consists of how many syllables? Any. It consists of 2 syllables because we've got like 2 vowel sounds. Ni. Ni. Vowel, consonant n, the nasal n, and e. Any. Okay, so it consists of 2 syllables. Any. All right, number 7. Behind. Behind. Okay, behind. Okay, 2 syllables. Behind. Behind. Okay, so we've got 2 syllables here. But what is this? Okay, sign here we got here on top. This means like it starts or it's put at the beginning of the stressed syllable. So if I say behind, I stressed the second syllable. So we put this mark here or this sign here before the strong or the stressed syllable. Okay? Important. Important. How many syllables do we have here? We got 3 syllables. Important, because we got 3 vowel sounds. The im and the por. Important. Okay. So we got like again important 3. Okay, 3 vowels. Okay. Of course, I'm sorry because important. There's a schwa missing here. I don't know why, but there's a schwa that is missing here. Okay. It should be t, schwa, and t. This is like, I'm sorry, it was okay, a printing mistake. Okay. There's a schwa tense. Okay. Again, important. We've got 3 syllables here, not 2. Okay. The third syllable again. There's the schwa. We're gonna take that in another place and we're gonna correct it. Okay. Do not forget. There's t, the sound t, and then schwa, nt. Important. 3 syllables. If we do it like this, tint. Okay. What happens is that we've got only 2 syllables. All right, but actually important, tunt. Okay, it's not important like that. All right, there's the schwa between the n, nasal n, and the plosive t. Okay, number 9, strongest, strongest, strongest. Okay, how many syllables here? We got only 2 syllables. Strongest. Okay, now from this sign here, or this mark here, it's clear that the second, or the first syllable, the first syllable is the stressed syllable. Strongest. Alright, number 10, introduction. 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 In introduction, we can see that we have how many syllables? We got like 4 syllables. Introduction, 4 syllables with 4 vowel sounds. Okay? Now let's take a look at some more, okay, practice. Alright, how many syllables do these words have? Okay, we want to know how many syllables. And what else do we need? Okay, we need to know or mark the structure of each syllable at the side of the word, like dog, dog, consonant, vowel, consonant. Okay, let's take a look. Line, line, line. Okay, how many vowel sounds do we have in line? 1. Okay, 1 vowel. okay, one vowel sound, rhythm, so we got one syllable, okay? So let's take a look. Line, L, consonant. Ein, the diphthong ein is one vowel. Don't forget that, not two vowels, it's one vowel. Okay? So, and then at the end, line, the nasal n. So, consonant, vowel, consonant, one syllable. Alright, number two, slow, slow, oh, like in stone. Also one syllable. Yeah, it is one syllable, but still one vowel sound. Slow. So it's consonant, l, consonant, o, vowel. Consonant, consonant, vowel. Okay? Number three, milk. Okay? So number three, milk. If we take a look at milk, we find that it begins with the nasal milk, lk. So it starts with consonant, then vowel, consonant, consonant. Okay? Now, if we look at this, alright, we'll find like one vowel making it one syllable. So milk is actually one syllable. Okay? Number four, each. Each. Each is also one syllable. It starts with a vowel. So a consonant can start actually with a vowel sound. Okay? So each. Star. One syllable. It ends with a vowel. Okay? Star. Consonant, consonant, vowel. Okay? So these are some words that we needed to describe in accordance to the syllables and the structure of each syllable. Okay, let's carry on with more practice, or just this point first here, about consonant clusters. Now, some words have more than one consonant put together, okay, at the beginning of the word, in the middle, at the end, alright? So if you've got two clusters or more, just two consonants or more next to each other, they create something called a consonant cluster. Let's take a look. A consonant cluster is when two or more consonants come together in the same syllable. One syllable, okay, with one vowel and several consonant sounds. And they come together, they after each other, follow each other. This means that they are consonant clusters. They are clusters, okay? So again, a consonant cluster is when two or more consonants come together in the same syllable. A consonant cluster, we've got like three types of consonant clusters. Okay, what are they? A consonant cluster at the beginning of a word is an initial consonant. Okay, cluster. Initial consonant cluster. And one at the end is a final consonant cluster. Okay, so we've got two here. If it's the cluster is at the beginning, the consonant cluster is at the beginning of the word, it's called initial consonant. If it's at the end of the word, okay, like the syllable at the end of the word, and you've got in that syllable one vowel and several consonants after each other, this means that this is a final consonant cluster. Okay, do we have another type of clusters? Yes, we do. We have a medial, medial clusters, medial consonant clusters. And they can be formed in polysyllabic words. That means a word, a word that has several syllables. Okay, but what about these syllables? When consonants come together at syllable boundaries, like in breakfast, like we got here break, okay, this is the first syllable, second syllable, but the consonants here are in the middle, okay, so they're called medial clusters, medial consonant clusters. Okay, so these are clusters here. This is in relation to consonant clusters. Let's take more practice. How many syllables do these words have? Mark the structure of each syllable at the side of the word. So we need to do two things. We need to understand how many syllables there are, okay, and the description of the structure or the structure of each syllable. All right, let's take a look. Number one, pretend, 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 pretend. Okay, pretend. How many syllables do we have? We got two. Pretend, pretend. Okay, so in pre, it's consonant, consonant, vowel, and then this sign here, this mark means that this is the first syllable, and then we got is followed by the second syllable. The second syllable, tend, tend, consonant, vowel, consonant, consonant. Okay, pretend. Shrinking, shrinking. All right, shrinking, two syllables. Okay, we've got two syllables in shrinking. The first syllable, consonant, consonant, vowel, consonant, 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 vowel, consonant. And then the second syllable, consonant, vowel, consonant. Now, of course, you can see here these clusters here. All right, these clusters, all of them actually, these clusters are initial clusters, because they are at the beginning of the syllable. Two consonant sounds at the beginning of the syllable. So they are initial consonant sounds. Okay? Number three, breakfast. This is like what we said before, breakfast. Breakfast. Two syllables, alright, like if we put these two together, look at these two here, these are medial. But here actually we've got also initial. Breakfast. Consonant, consonant, vowel, consonant, consonant, vowel, consonant, consonant. Number four, structure. Structure. Okay? Structure. Two syllables. Okay? Structure, two syllables. Okay, the first syllable, consonant, 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 vowel, consonant. The second syllable, consonant, vowel. Structure. All right, so we've got like about four, okay, consonant sounds in one syllable. All right, but three at the beginning, making it initial consonant. Number five, greasy. Greasy. Greasy means like something with grease on it, like oil or you know, or fat, greasy. Okay? So greasy. Consonant, consonant, vowel. First syllable, second syllable, consonant, vowel. All of these words, of course, as we have witnessed, consist of two syllables. Okay, but what is different is the structure. Okay, so again, what is different is the structure of each syllable. Okay, but all of them are two syllables or consist of two syllables, and as you can see here, like each syllable or the first syllables all consist of initial consonant clusters. Okay, so again, we've got three types of consonant clusters: initial, medial, and final. Okay. Alright, let's carry on with more practice here. How many syllables do these words have? Mark the structure of each syllable at the side. Of course, all these, as you can see, words here from 1 to 5 consist of one syllable because they have only vowels. Let's take a look. O, I, air, okay, so these are all words with one syllable. Okay, and all these syllables, all right, all these syllables consist of structures of just vowels, the rhythm. There are no consonants here, and that's okay, it's alright. Okay, now look here. How many syllables do these words have? Alright, mark the structure again. Allow, 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 allow. Okay, all of them, you're going to find out that they consist of 2 syllables. Alright, allow, allow. Vowel, consonant, vowel. Okay, lower, 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 lower. 2 syllables as well. The first syllable consonant vowel, the second just vowel. Then the schwa sound here. Okay, brother, brother, brother. 2 syllables. First syllable consonant, consonant vowel. Second syllable just consonant vowel. Brother. Okay, brother. Number 4, easy, easy, easy. Okay, E, vowel, Z, consonant vowel, easy. Alright, number 5, order, order, order. Vowel, consonant, vowel. Of course, 2 vowels, that means 2 syllables in this word, order. Okay, everyone? So, of course, you should write all these down in a piece of paper to understand them and listen to the words several times. Allow, lower, brother, easy, order. Okay, everyone? It's really, really important to practice them. Find the syllables. They are words too, which have the structure shown. Alright? Look at the initial, again, just, you know, we need to look at just the transcriptions of these words and find out what each transcription represents. Okay? Me, consonant vowel, me. 2, stay, consonant vowel. Okay? Again, all of them just 1 syllable. Stay. Screw, like in screwdriver, a screw, okay, to connect things together through a screw, okay, or using a screw. Alright, this is 3, number 4 here, 3, consonant, consonant, vowel, 1 syllable, okay, square, alright, square, score, the score, what's your score, score, consonant, consonant, vowel, score, straw, fall, consonant, vowel, fall, pay, consonant, vowel. Okay, everyone, and again, all these should be practiced a lot. Alright, everyone, and that's the end of our session today, okay, or our lecture. And I want you again to practice a lot, because we're going to be doing more transcriptions and focus on syllables and how to find out the number of syllables in a word. Okay, and next time, or next lecture, we'll be looking a bit more deeper into structures and the stress, okay, stress of word and other areas of phonetics. Alright, thank you very much and good luck with your practice, everyone. Okay, thank you very much.